Yup, that's me again, and I don't know why I'm completely blank. What is up, everyone? This is Wrinkle Gonsalves, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the things that I've been loving from Amazon. Guys, it's not a sponsored video. I got all these things with my own money. We all love shopping from Amazon. I think it's like the second DMart. What you don't get here, you definitely get it there. Sometimes the thing that you require is available in Bajuka store, but you still get it online. That's the spirit. That is how one is supposed to live a life. I'm joking, but you cannot deny the truth. So, on that note, let's not waste any more time and get started with the video. So basically, there are a lot of things that I got from Amazon. Half I don't know where it went. The products that I'm about to show you in today's video are the ones that I use frequently or at least sometimes. By the way, let me show you my outfit for today. I think I should do outfit of the day in every video. Yeah. I'm wearing a peach top with black denim, and to finish up the look, I paired it up with a black belt. Of course, I was not going to wear the shoes, so don't mind me. Anyways, that's the first product. It's called Electromania Clip On Fringe Hair Extension in natural shade. It's super easy to use and you can totally get a new look without having to visit the salon. It comes in a set of one. It's 14 centimeter long and has a natural black color. It's quite comfortable and lightweight. It looks quite natural. To use this, you gotta comb your hair in two sections and leave enough room to insert the clip in between. Adjust the clip and combine the false hair with your real hair. I recently got my hair colored, which is why it doesn't go well, but after I put my hair into a ponytail, it gives a natural look. I think it's super cute and also it's a nice hair hack in case you are just like me afraid to go for a fringe haircut. The next product is the ring light. It's from the brand Digitech. The pack includes ring light body, AC power cable, smartphone mount, and a carry bag, which is so handy. The carry bag is made so well, which is why it is super easy to carry around. The product has 240 pieces LED bulbs. I don't really remember how these marks got in here, but that doesn't really affect the light at all. It is 18-inch with three color modes, I would say. Though it shows two color modes on the website, however, as you can see, it can be adjusted to white, warm white, and yellow light settings. The light effect can also be adjusted. You can set it to the lowest, and that's the highest. The smartphone holder rotates to 360 degrees, which is great, and the ring light can also be run on batteries. Though it doesn't come with batteries, but yeah, it can be run on batteries where there is no power supply. Well, it doesn't come with a stand, which is sad. I use it along with an old ring light stand, but I would recommend you to get it along with a stand because then it will get easier to use. That's the next product. It's a gua sha stone. The packaging includes jade roller and a gua sha stone. I was looking for one back then and it's pricey. I also checked it on Nika and other websites. But this one's quite reasonable. It's from the brand Homeo Culture. It's basically a face massaging tool to apply pressure and scrape the skin to relieve pain and tension. I don't really use the jade roller, but gua sha is something that I love using. It promotes blood circulation, improves fine lines and wrinkles, relieves tension from muscles. Also, this was the result I came across in the very first week of using it. I will add a link to my IGTV. You can totally check it out on how I use it. Next are the white curtains. Guys, I tell you, it's so handy. Also, it is quite reasonable. It comes in a pack of one, and the one that I called for is 7 feet. It comes in 6 shades that are white, aqua, cream, golden, maroon, and pink. And it also has various sizes that are 5 feet, 7 feet, and 9 feet, which is great. It's quite lightweight, and the overall quality is quite good. It is sheer and thick. White is a quite soothing color, which is why I call for white. Also, it has lovely design on it. Not bad, right? That's another product. It's a tripod. My friend has a similar one and I loved it, so I had to get one. It's an aluminium tripod and it's quite lightweight. It is from the brand DG Tech again, and it comes with a carry bag, which is great. The tripod has a handle to it and it is very stable. I can count on it. It opens up to 5.57 feet and it can take max load up to 4.5 kgs. The making is quite good. It can be used for phones, cameras, GoPro. Its legs are multi-section, meaning that one can adjust the spread of the legs to allow the tripod to be used at different heights. Or in awkward areas where one leg or more legs cannot be at the same angle as the other, which is great. And it also has a hook. However, the only sad part is it doesn't come with a phone holder. That's the mount adapter clip. With that, we move to the next product, that's the mount adapter clip. That's basically the phone holder. It's adjustable and has 360-degree rotation. It's quite easy to use, but as you can see, it is not stable. But it's still a good purchase. And also, why worry when you can use the 101 Jugaad? This is how I do it. I'm not sure if there are any better options available for phone holders with this tripod, but yeah. So guys, that was the last product and that is all from me for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Well, if you want to get your hands on any of these products, the links are mentioned in the description box below. You can check it out there. So guys, let me know if you want to see more of such videos on my channel. Maybe I can do things that I love from Nykaa next time. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Until then, EXO.